back. And I'm letting y'all know that I made this in the microwave, the baked potato. I'm gonna put some rosemary on this. Oh, it looks kind of sketchy like, but we're gonna make this work, okay? I'll put that on there. The rosemary on this baked potato that I baked in the microwave. Yep, and I'm gonna use some meat tenderizer. Ain't that crazy? Let's see how this gonna work. Something new. Putting it on there, and I'm gonna add. Oh, I'm knocking stuff over. Now this is what I use: the rosemary, as you can see, and this is just a late night something I came up with. And the cheese, I'm gonna put that right there. And put the cheese on there. Yep, the cheese. And we're gonna mush it in there. And then we're gonna see what we can do. And look, let me see how it tastes. Let me see how it tastes. It's good. And I did this in the microwave for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Let me see. In the microwave, y'all. Your girl did this in the microwave. Put some of the cheese on there. And it's good. Peace.